First, you're gonna remove the engine cover. Then this hose clamp. Then we can pull this guy off. Just like that. Now we're gonna get a 21 socket to go around the PCV valve itself. Now we'll crack her loose, just like that. And it should rattle like that. To reinstall it, we're gonna make sure that we got a little bit of oil around the O-ring. So we got the O-ring oiled up nicely. Now we'll just put it back in. Hand tight until we can't. Now we'll get our socket and do the rest. You don't even really need the ratchet on the end of the socket if you have a long enough socket. You can get enough leverage with just your fingers. We'll just get that guy set back in. Just like that. And then we get our hose back on. Just like that. And now we're gonna get that guy back up and the engine cover back on, and you're done.